I'm going to show you how you can easily use the Diksha app for students. First, download the Diksha app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and install it on your device. Now open the app and select your role as a student to access student-specific content. Register by tapping on Register here and entering your details. It may include full name, year of birth, state, district, block, cluster, and school. Next, set up login credentials, including a mobile number or email address and a password, then verify via OTP. Log in using your credentials to access the dashboard and explore available resources. Browse content by selecting your class and subject to find lessons, videos, PDFs, and quizzes. After that, use QR codes from your textbooks to scan and access related digital content directly within the app. Download materials to your device for offline access, ensuring learning without internet connectivity. Finally, track progress through the My Learning section where you can view completed courses and assessments.